Hi guys, now we're here in Lisbon, and with me again Mr. Oraa. And now we're heading to the main center of the city, and the weather is fine. It's hot, it's warm. And now I will show you the place in Lisbon, the beautiful city again. The beautiful and warm city here in Lisbon, Portugal. So, hope you enjoy. Since the weather is so hot, good thing I didn't wear a jacket. Supposedly I'm gonna wear a jacket, but no need. So yeah, we're gonna go to the streets all the way to, and by the way guys, this is a fact, this is the hometown of Ferdinand Magellan, so now you know, okay? So this is the tram train on the street. So there's an elevator here in Lisbon that you can see the top view, but we're not gonna go up. We're just gonna take picture below because I don't know, I think it's quite expensive to go up. It's an elevator, you will ride and direct to the church, and now you will see the view, whole view of Lisbon. So sorry guys, I'm not that, you know, I didn't have that enough money today, so you just have to take picture or take the view of this elevator I'm telling you, okay? So this is now the elevator all the way up. So there's a church above, and then you just have to pay just to see the view. Look at the line. So I have a lot of pictures here. So this is it. I don't know what's the name of this elevator, but surely people are wanting to go up. So we're under of the Elevador de Santa Justa Sanitario from 1902 to 2002. Monumento Nacional. So this steel is made from the same in the Eiffel Tower in Paris. So we decided to go back to the ship, which is in a hard way because we're gonna climb up there. And I hope all the food we ate today is gonna digest very fast, because at least when I go back to the ship I can go sleep directly. But wait, I have to watch the episode 3 Game of Thrones. We're heading up now to Lisbon just to see the whole city. So, it's the best part because at least in one way we can see the whole city of Lisbon. So we have to walk up to the stairs. Okay. Now we're climbing now all the way to the top, and our stomach is full. I don't know if we can... Let's go. So this place has a nice view. We can see the rooftop. gonna bring you to the upper part of the city. So I really enjoy this place so much, especially the view itself. It's really nice. So we keep walking. I admire this house. Really old, but still looking so. No? Ora told me that I feel like I live here because I know the place, where to go and where to go back to the ship. Yeah, the story behind this, when I was in piano, I can still remember the street. So yeah, I'm just bringing all my friends here. So we're heading down all the way to the ship. So it's already almost 1:30, so we need to go back to the ship before 2 o'clock. Really, I'm really sleepy and tired. And at least tomorrow is sea day, so we have a long day to sleep. You see how amazing Lisbon is. It's really nice. So I will show you the top view of Lisbon. Welcome to Lisbon. So you can see all the roads here are made with bricks and rocks. It's pretty amazing. It looks amazing. So we're almost there. Around 5 minutes, we're already near to the ports. I really know the street, so yeah, we're almost comes to an end. So this is the seaside part of the houses. So yeah, we're here. Exit. So how do you find our adventure?
Good, nice place.
I hope you enjoyed my tour here in Lisbon. Yeah, the fun part is we get to see the nice view here, which is I always do that here in Lisbon, which I teach him where to go and where should we eat and where is the nice place to chill and relax. So I think Ura had the best day. So I mean, yeah, so till next time, and continue watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe. I love you fans, and to all the people who views my videos. See ya.